Hello beauties, welcome on back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing you guys how I do my eyebrows these days, because I posted another video of where I am doing my eyebrows a month ago. So this step that I'm doing first with the soap and everything just upgraded my brow game. So what I am doing right here, I'm gonna take my spoolie and brush it onto my green soap. Yes, this is green soap, the sunlight green soap. And then after that I just took a small container and put water into it, then put the green soap piece into it. Then after that I'm gonna take my spoolie and brush it onto that soap, and then brush the eyebrow hairs up and apply this product on both eyebrows, then let it dry. After drying, I'm gonna continuously brush them with my spoolie. Then after that, when the product is dry, I'm gonna push the eyebrow hairs up with my hand, just removing that product and also making sure that those eyebrow hairs are laying down very well, because I do not have, if you have got to be spray for this step, you can use that, or maybe if you have eyebrow gel, you can use that. So now what I am doing right here is just pressing those eyebrow hairs up, making sure that that product disappears. Then now I'm gonna be applying the second layer of product. Then after it dries again, I'm gonna repeat the same thing and press it very hard, making sure that I dissolve the product onto the eyebrow hairs, and also pressing them, making sure that they lay flat. So now I'm going to be moving on to drawing my eyebrows. For this step, I'm going to be using the poulin brow gel. I got this gel from Abu, my friend at town. You know those ones, they have cheap things, and I got it for only 25 rand. And then with a small angled brush that came with this gel, and with that brush I'm gonna dip into the gel, then start to draw hair like strokes just to mimic the eyebrow hairs. But then I find it useless and useful at the same time, because anyways I ended up blending the product on the brow and the lines kind of disappeared. And again, it helps me to not put too much product onto the eyebrows. To clean the bottom of my brows, or to conceal the bottom of my brows, I'm going to be using my go-to Fit Me concealer in the shade number 30. I got this concealer at Clicks. And then for the brush that I'm using is a Scarlet heel brush that I got from Mr. Price. So now with this brush, I'm gonna be blending that concealer, dragging it down to prep the lids for eyeshadow later. I got this brush from Takealot.com. It came with 18 other eyeshadow brushes and they are from Zar Cosmetics, the brand Zar Cosmetics, and they were, I think, 450 or so. Even though they are a little bit pricey, they are worth it. As you guys have seen, my eyeshadow blending game has been improved. With my foundation, I'm gonna clean and shape the top of my eyebrows, starting from the tail of the eyebrows with a little amount of product just to give my eyebrow or my arch some shape. So my friend gave me this other e.l.f. product as a present, but I am not sure if this is supposed to be an eyeshadow or it's supposed to be an eyebrow powder, but I like to take that and fill in the brow. I'll put a picture of it right here, and there are two shades in it, so I like to fill in the brow with the darker one. So that completes my updated eyebrow tutorial. If you haven't seen my previous video, I'll put the link down in the description box. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram at K_M02 and also on Facebook at Bophelo.k. And that completes our look, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below so that I know what type of content you'd like to see on this YouTube channel. Till next time, bye guys.